So grade 6 girls, let us continue lesson 1.6, add and subtract decimals. Please turn to page 38. Page 38, and we were doing example 2. Do you remember this, girls? Yesterday, we were doing example 2. Everyone, please take out page 38.
I opened it.
Please take out page 38. Everyone, are you there with your book?
We're here.
Good girls. Did you take out page 38?
Yes.
And what do you do next? You write the date. Write the date, please.
Okay.
What's the date?
Wednesday.
9/21. Okay. How did I teach you, girls? 6.5. Okay. Of course, you will solve the parenthesis first. You will solve this first. 6.5. I told you write a point, and what next number? 9 and 7. 9, 7. And you have 1. The leftover space, you'll put a 0. Again, please look onto the screen. Everyone, I write the first number 6.5. The next number is 1.97. Take care that this point are in the same line. Put a 0 here, minus it. How do you minus it? By regrouping, because 0, you cannot take out 7 balls out of 0 balls. So you regroup them. Page 38. It's seen here. 3, and again you need to do the regrouping. And then you have 4.53. That's what? This is 10, and this is 4. But 4, you cannot take out 9 from 4. So again, regrouping, and 5. So this is 3, and here it is 5 and 0.4. Now, you got an answer as 4.5, 4.53. How do I get? Now you need to add, because you've solved the parenthesis. Now what is left? 3.461. I need to add 3.461. Girls, some of them, they do this mistake. See, girls, don't write this. Some of them, they do this mistake. They write 1, 6, 4, 3 point like this. Don't do this, girls. This is wrong. The point has to be just below the point. 3.461, and this is empty.
But yesterday you showed us the answer and it was 4.53, and then underneath it, it was 4.53.
It was 4.53. You are adding this. You are adding 4.530. This is the next step. When I add them, you get 7.991. So the value expression is 7.991. 7.991. Did you all finish, girls?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, Wayne.
Okay. I'm going to solve till question number 4, next page, share and show. Then on your own, I will ask you to really do by on your own.
I'm done.
Okay. Can I go to next page?
Do we now do it on our own?
Wait a minute, guys. Now let us go to next page.
Yes, but I didn't really understand it.
Yeah, you will understand now. Okay. Now see, you have estimate. Leave the estimate part, girls. We will just write on 3. Just take a compatible number. and 1, you get 2. Just take like this. Sorry, 3 minus 2, because it's 1.9. It's 1.9, very near to 2. This is my compatible estimate. Even if you don't get this, don't worry. But subtract the hundredths first. We are subtracting the hundredths first. How will you do that? I will show you. 3.42. How do you write 1.9? And where do you write? What do you write here? 0. Point and point. Now subtract it. 2 minus 0, 2. Regrouping. And I get 5. I get 1.52 by regrouping. Now tell me, who did not understand?
Miss, I did it already on my own and I got it right.
Very good, Amal. Excellent. Anyone who did not get today's explanation?
Miss, like first we round the numbers and then we like do the real with the numbers with the point and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Do we do number 2 and 3 and 4 on our own?
No, 2 and 3 and 4 I'm doing. Don't look at the screen, do it.
Miss, but I still didn't really understand it.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. When I do the question number 2, 3, 4, I will do question number 2, 3, 4 with you now. No. 2.3, 5.68, 21.047. Do you know the arrangement, how I did? I put all the points and the before number and after number, 5.68. The point was here, and after you have 047, before you have 21. And I put zeros where I see they are empty, and I add them. 8 plus 4, 12. A point, 9, and 29. 29.027.
Miss, I also did this one. It's right.
What?
I also did this this question by myself and it's right.
Great. Very good. Now let me explain the third one. 33.25 and 21.463. If I minus it, 10 and 4, I get 7, but I cannot do 4 and 6 again. Again, regrouping, I get 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8. Again, regrouping 7. You must be perfect in regrouping.
So it's basically just like plussing or minusing stuff.
You
Like
must
adding
know
or
how to
subtracting,
subtract
but
and how
with
to add.
points.
And you must know how to arrange them. Arrange them how to write. That is more important.
Okay.
Miss, we
But
arrange
I
it from
didn't
smallest to
understand how
biggest.
to evaluate it.
Yes?
Miss, we
You mean
arrange it
how
from
to
small to
explain
big.
it? Yes, who had a question?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello? Hello, girls.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Now here I have parentheses. First, I will solve the parentheses. 8.54 plus 3.46. Come on, tell me.
Yes, I know the trick because the PEMDAS. We do the parentheses first.
Okay. Add them.
Miss, are you talking? Because if you're talking, we can't hear you.
No, I'm waiting for you to say me. What should I write?
Oh,
6
okay.
plus 4 is 10. So we write a 0 and put a 1.
8
9
and
plus
9,
3
and then you
is
have 12.
12.
Is 12.
Okay,
And
now
the
you
answer
got
is
this.
12.0.
I told first to go to parentheses. When I saw parentheses, I got 12 minus 6.749. Come on, let us minus together. 12. There's no number, no point. I'll put a point and 6.749. Put zeros here. If there is nothing, that means you put a 0. 10, 9, 9, and 1. So 1, 5, 2, again, 5. So my answer is 5.25. Girls, you have to be very good at regrouping. 2.000.
Miss, I don't understand how to regroup. So
I will explain 1 minute. Who's that?
that I know how to regroup it with the zeros. Do we just take from 2?
Carefully look at the screen. Who don't know how to regroup? Look at the screen. Which
We
question?
know, but
Yeah, I didn't
Which
really
question on-
understand what do you mean by regrouping?
Miss, I understand, but I don't know how you regroup with the 3 zeros.
Okay, I will explain you that now. Just look at the screen. Here, girls, you have you got 12, okay? And you have 6.749. Just put a point here and put 3 zeros. Why do you put that? Because you don't have any number and any point. Now, 0 and 9. Okay? Now, when you take 10, you have to take 9 here. And again a 9 here. Because again, this you need to regroup. And 1 from here. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 and 4, 5, 2. But again, 1 and 6 you cannot. So again, regroup. And you get 5.251. Now, did you get it? Did you get it now?
Yes, Miss, a little bit. Miss, but it's a 0. How do you get a 9? It's not like 10. If it was 10, we take 1.
This is a regrouping. This is regrouping when you have a 0. You do it this way. You start with 10 because you take 1 from here. Like, how do you do regrouping when you have like this? How do you do regrouping when you have like this? You do 10 and then you do 9, right? You do regrouping this way. Like, why do I take 9? I will explain you. I take 10 and then actually this is small. So this again take 10s from here, but you need to make it 9. Girls, I cannot get back to grade 2 and explain, but if you really don't understand this still, I will try to explain on the white screen. Who don't get this?
No, okay.
Are you okay? Shall I erase it, girls?
Miss, what? How do you regroup it? And if it's 0 zeros? If it's 0.
1 minute. I will try to show you. Next star. Borrow again. You don't have anything to borrow. Now subtract. Understood, girls? At least little bit or no, not yet?
That's so
Yes, miss, I understand. It's so
super
clear.
easy.
Now did you understand?
Yes, got it.
Yes, I did on your own.
Very good. Do you want me to write the answers or solve it for you for your own? Okay, quickly I will solve it and please check your answers. Please try to check your answers. Are you all doing it by your own? Quick, girls, I just have 2 minutes. I'll write the answers. If not, you can do at home and check your answers. Tomorrow, if you don't get them, let me know. Sorry, girls, I did not allow you all to do today, like how usually I call out your names.
39.99.
Tina, Haifa. Tina, Haifa, other girls, did you understand today's class or no? I did not call out your names. Jana, Feroz, Maria, Jude, do you all understand how to do this?
Yes.
Do you all understand how to do this?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do something for you here?
No, it's super easy.
Okay. That's it, girls. I will end up my class.